Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys I have a tutorial slash review for you guys. So a week ago I went to Sephora. I really wanted those like new Huda Beauty palette. You guys know I already have this one. It's from the original ones. This one is the Warm Brown Obsession. So this is what it looks like. You guys seen it before, like I did a couple of tutorials. I'll link them down below for you guys so you guys know which one I'm talking about. Yeah, so I went there and I really wanted another one. So I got this one. This one is a Topaz Obsession. She has a bunch of new ones, but I really wanted one that I knew I was gonna use. Cause yeah, the other ones are really colorful and everything. And I know like it's kind of boring getting like the neutral ones all the time, but you know what? It's $35 here and I wanna make sure I'm gonna use it more than once. So this is why I went and bought this one. This is what she looks like. Look at the beautiful colors, really neutral. I find it's like more warm. Also, it has a lot more shimmer colors. I'll show you side by side, but they do complement each other like really well. I haven't tried it before, so basically today when I do my tutorial, I just want to see if they're as good as the original one, because you guys know I really like the first launch she got, and I just wanted to see like if it's as good as the other ones, as if it's as blendable, if the pigmentation is there, because I feel like she launched a bunch of them and I just want to see if she's just making it for the money or are they really as good as the first one. So that's what we'll see. As you guys can see, I already have my base on, so I'm going to focus more on the eye tutorial. I'm probably going to do something simple, but you know, I don't really know what I'm doing, so it can go overboard. We'll see at the end how it looks like. So I'm just going to use this with nothing else. And yeah, I'm trying to do a whole look with it. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to zoom you guys in so you guys can see better. Okay, so we're all zoomed in right now. We're gonna start with this, and I'm gonna start with my blending brush. I'm gonna start with this color here. So yeah, I put it upside down, so it's actually this color here. And I'm gonna put it in the crease, of course. Okay, so next I'm gonna take that color here and put it in a crease just to dip it in a little bit and see how it goes, how dark it goes. The same blending brush, I'm gonna put it more in the crease. Really nice color. You can see it's like so warm. I love it. It's also as blendable as the first shadows. So far it's like the same thing, so I'm happy about that. Okay, so I'm taking a smaller blending brush right now. I know it looks dirty, but it just stained from the purple eyeshadow I was using. So I'm just gonna use this brown color here. I just want to see how dark it goes. I'm gonna put it deep in the crease. Okay, that's good, looks good. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer because I think I'm gonna use this color here, the yellow color, because I want to see how pigmented it is. But I don't know if it'll go with this or whatever. I'm just trying out shadows. So I'm just gonna use my Better Skin concealer. I use a really small brush. It's not a cut crease or anything. I just wanna have a base. Honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect because anyways, I'm gonna put the shadow and I'm just gonna blend, so it's not like a crease. So we're just gonna wait for it to like dry a little bit. Okay, it's like almost dry. So now I'm just taking an eyeshadow brush like this, small one, and I'm gonna take this yellow, orangey yellow shadow, and I'm gonna put it wherever we put the concealer. Honestly, I thought it would be more pigmented than that. I don't know if it's the color that's throwing me off. I don't like it. Okay, so you guys see how it is. It's like not exactly like this, but it's like it's nice. It's okay. I wouldn't pick that color. It's like a mustard yellow. I don't like yellow, but I wanted to try this shadow. See, like it kind of works. I just don't like the colors, so I'm gonna take this color here and put this color all over the lid. I'm gonna take a different brush. This color is really nice. It's like foiled, so it's not glittery. It just kind of sticks to your lid. It's not flaky or anything. It's really nice. It's really pigmented. I'm gonna try and put it over. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the blending side of this brush, and I'm gonna go back with that brown color. I think I really want this lid to be darker. Put it in the outer corner. So I think I'm gonna leave the eyes like this because I'm just playing around right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clean up a little bit with some concealer. So I'm just gonna take a angle brush like this. I'm gonna use, I'm gonna mix those two together and just do my underline. I'm just taking my smaller blending brush to go a little bit of this color and just dry it. This one is not too harsh. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished my makeup. I'm just gonna come and talk to you guys about the palette that we used today, the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. Blinding, you guys, like seriously blinding, you guys. Yeah, I just want to say, like, the positive first, let's say, honestly it's still really blendable. Like the I'm gonna call this one the original so you guys know what I'm talking about. It's still as pigmented as the original. It's still as blendable as the original. I like the way it blended. I like the pigmentation of everything. Everything is the same. Like, she didn't try to rip us off and like just did like other small palettes just so everybody would buy it, thinking like it's all the same, but it's not the same. But it actually is the same, so everything looks good. The only thing I want to say is some of the colors in this palette didn't show like true to color. Like, you guys saw me use that yellow shade right here. When I used it, I want to show you guys. I'm really going in, and if I go here, like, I feel like it's not as bright. I mean, it's okay, but you guys saw when I like put it on my lid, it wasn't as bright as this, and I don't know, it just wasn't the same color, so I didn't end up liking it. That's why I used another shadow. But if you check like the shimmer colors, like this one, I'm gonna do a couple of swatches. This one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm not even going full on it. You see how foiled that is, how it picks up the color? It's so nice. I wish you guys can see better because right now I feel like the light is just blinding you. And this is how it looks. See those two colors here? They're so good. Like, it picks up the light. It's so foil, it picks up the light so well. So yeah, you guys see the pigmentation is there. It's just that one color, the yellow color here, it just wasn't working for me. That's why I went with another shadow for my lip color. Like comparing the two, if I were to like buy one, I would definitely buy this one just because it's more warm and there's different, like more different kind of shadows in this one. So that's why I kind of like this one better. Like you see, you have your foils, you have like your glittery ones, and you have your matte. When this one, it only had like one like foil glittery color and all the other ones were matte. And honestly, like these colors, like this one and this one and even this one, it didn't really show well on me. So for me, it's like already like 3 colors that I might or might not use, so I'm not really sure. Yeah, but I'm probably gonna do another tutorial. You guys know I always do more than one tutorial with a palette just because I like to see the options that we can get with one palette. Yeah, and honestly, that's all I want to say really. There's nothing more to say to this palette. You guys seen the other ones. If you guys want to see like a more like different tutorials, like I'll do another tutorial using this palette, and I have a lot more tutorials using this palette, so I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys if you guys want to see. And I just want to say for everybody who likes, comment, and subscribe to my channel that I really appreciate all the love you guys have been giving me. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video, guys. Yeah, that's it really. I don't know what I'm thinking about right now. So I'll see you next time, next week probably. Bye!